Hello again. After a nice rain, this river is full of nice salmons. Incredible catch. Good amount of butter. Melt it with snap. Little bit oil. Handful of soy sauce. More honey than you thought. Peel the garlics. Do this and this. Keep slicing. Still slicing. This is fun. Add a little bit of brown sugar. Then some Dijon mustard. Stir until nice. Keep slicing. Chop the citron. Oh yeah, now look at that. Place it right there. Pour magic. Finish him. God damn, it smells delicious. Now while this waits in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes, we make rice and sour cream sauce. 4 cups of water. Do these necessary things. 2 cups of rice. Wash with cold water. Add rice when water boils. Rice is ready. Now that's sauce. Add sour cream. Squeeze everything you can out of citron. Slice up dill. Then add it to the mix. Ginger and white pepper. Slice this bad boy up nicely. Sugary surprise. And we are done. Let's get to the plating. Yes, right there, baby. This goes here. Next one here. Third time's the charm. Be careful. It's delicate. Watch out. Moment of truth. It's beautiful. It's sprinkle time. And dill. Wasabi paste. I am nuts. Then some final touches. Holy moly, it's done. Now we admire the result. Just look at it. It is gorgeous. Thank you for watching.